Good day, learners. Good day. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today, we're going to be learning or exploring an interesting topic which affects our day-to-day life, which is climate, weather, and vegetation. And we're going to be explaining why are they connected. Jumping on to our next slide, we have to understand the concepts that comes with this topic. The concept that comes with this topic, which is weather. Weather is the short-term conditions of the air around us, like temperature, rainfall, wind, and cloud cover today or this week. That's weather. We usually find weather they usually update us about weather at the end of the news, telling us that today's weather could be what, hot or cold, clear or rainy, windy or calm. So climate is the average weather of a place over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. And vegetation is the types of plants that grow in a particular area. And on our far right, there's diagram showing us the changing climate, explaining weather and climate that I have already explained to you. Climate can be what, tropical, temperate, or what, or polar. So jumping on to our next slide, which is the examples found in South Africa. We have the fynbos biome found in what, Western Cape. The climate in the fynbos biome is Mediterranean. It consists of what, winter rainfall and hot dry summers, while the weather is frequently summer drought, strong wind, southeasterly fires common. It has fire commonly, and vegetation, vine-leaved shrubs, proteas, ericas, and ristois. And how does this link to this example? Fire-adapted plants because of hot, dry summer weather. And jumping on to our next slide, savanna biome found in Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The savanna region experiences hot summers with heavy rainfall and dry winters. This climate supports tall grasses, thorn trees, and large wildfire population. The seasonal rainfall allows grass to grow quickly in summer, while trees like acacia survive drought with deep roots. If rainfall patterns change, the balance between grass and trees will change, to showing how vegetation depends on climate and weather. On our far right, there's a picture showing us the savanna biome found in the Limpopo and Mpumalanga region, and below it there is the rainfall pattern that shows us the monthly temperature and moisture in tropical grassland and savanna. Let's go to our next example, which is the Karoo found in the Northern Cape. The climate there is semi-arid to arid, very low rainfall, extreme temperatures. The weather, it has hot days, cold nights, occasional dust storms, and the vegetation is drought-resistant shrubs, succulents, for example, speckbone. And how does this link to Karoo found in the Northern Cape? The plants have thick leaves to store water due to dry climate. You can see on the far right, there's a diagram showing us where we could find the Karoo in the Northern Cape, and we have spec booms diagram showing us different types of vegetations found in the Karoo, and on the bottom there's a pattern showing us the rainfall pattern. So jumping on to our next slide, the grassland biome found in the Free State and Gauteng region. The climate in this region is it has summer rainfall, cold dry winters, and the weather, frost in winter, thunderstorms in summer, and the vegetation is mostly grassy, no tall trees due to frost and fire. And how does this link to the grassland? The grassland frequent fires maintain the grassy landscape, and on our far right you can see that actually this place is really grassy. There's no lot of tall trees. And jumping on to our next slide, which is the Namakwaland Desert, the Namakwaland Desert is found in the Northern Cape, and the climate is very low rainfall, extreme temperatures, fog along coast, occasional sudden rain, vegetation, the succulents and sparse shrubs. And how does this link to the Namakwaland? The plants evolved to survive heat and water stress. And jumping on to the last slide, telling us how climate, weather, and vegetation are interdependent. Climate shapes the types of plants that can survive in a region, in a place, And weather affects how plants grow day to day, and vegetation helps protect soil, store water, and influence local temperatures. So today's topic is very interesting because it affects our day to day lives. So thank you.